people, welcome back to Heavenly Gracie Money Corner, your favorite place for legit money making tips online. Today I'm showing you how to earn money by simply reading and reviewing books with platform called Online Book Club. Yes, if you love book like I do, this is your chance to turn that passion into income. So grab a cup of tea and let's dive right in. Okay, so guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Heavenly Gracie. I'm happy to have you here once again. If you're a returning subscriber, you know that I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Lots of kisses, lots of hugs from me to you. Thank you for always coming through. And if this is your first time of joining us on this channel, I'm happy to have you here. You're highly welcome. And please make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and always give us a thumb up after enjoying our video. That will help YouTube algorithm to help us push our videos further to people who are interested or who needs to see this. So thank you. On today's segment, I'm going to be teaching us how to earn while reading. If you love to read, this is your chance. Come and grab this opportunity. You get to read free books and still get paid for reading it. So here on this platform, you read and review books, give your honest opinion about the book, and then voila, you get paid. Okay, so first of all, what is Online Book Club? Onlinebookclub.org is a free to join platform that connects authors with readers who are willing to review their books. It's been around for over 10 years. It's not a new platform and has built a solid reputation in the online book space. The idea is simple. You read a book, write a review, and get paid. Now let's break it down for you step by step. Firstly, this is how to get started. You visit www.onlinebookclub.org. I'm going to be writing the website up here, or you check my description box and then you sign up. It's free of charge. Okay, the process is straightforward. You just need your name and email. Then once your account is created, you log into your dashboard and head to the review team, the review team section. That is where you will find book available for review. First of all, listen carefully. Your first review will not be paid. They are not going to pay you. This is like a trial review to show the team that you're serious and that you can give, or you can write a proper honest review, yes, about something. So it's more like a test for you. So there is no pay for this particular one. Don't worry though. If you do it well, then you'll start receiving paid opportunity right after that. Yes, if your first review is approved, then gigs will be coming in. Okay, so you'll be shown a list of books. That is if they approve the first one. You'll be shown a list of books available. These books are often from self-published authors who are looking for exposures and honest feedback from real people. So all you have to do is choose a book you like, download it, usually in either PDF or EPUB format, and then you start reading. There is no strict deadline for this, yes, but the faster you can complete your review, the sooner you can get started and start getting paid. You get? Okay, so now this is how to write a review. First of all, this is the part that is very important, that is most important. Your review must be honest, respectful, and well written out. You don't have to lie about anything or sugarcoat it to make them happy. So if the book wasn't great, you say so, but in a constructive and respectful manner, in a constructive way. So your review should include maybe a brief summary of the book. No spoiler. Listen carefully. No spoiler. A brief summary of the book, what you like or what you dislike about the book, your overall rating. It's usually on a scale of maybe 1 to 4 or 1 to 5 years. Then a recommendation, as in who you think you can recommend the book to. So all this will be well constructed, yes. Make sure it's original. Don't copy from maybe other source, or disqualification straight for you. Okay, so now let's talk about getting paid. This is the sweet part, the payment, money matter. Once your first review is approved, you become part of the review team, and from there you will start receiving paid book review offer. Yes, they will be sending it down to your email directly. The pay varies depending on the book and the author's budget, but it can range from about $5 to $60 per review. So payment is made through PayPal. I've always reminded you all to open a PayPal account when you're doing this online business that involves international, outside the country. You should know that PayPal is a must-have. Yes, it is necessary. So if you have not still opened your PayPal account, go and watch my video. Yes, my previous video, I've made a video on how to open a PayPal account. Yes, Nigerian PayPal account, whereby you can receive, as in, okay, all right, let me get this straight to you. PayPal doesn't work for Nigerians. Yes, most people say that, but I have constructed a video on how to go about it, how you register, and it will be verified. Yes, how you register and verify your PayPal account, and it will be working. It will not just be sending, but as well receiving. Go and watch that video and create your PayPal account. Okay, like I said, the pay varies depending on the book and the author's budget. Yes, but it can range from either $5 to $60 per review. Yes, so make sure your PayPal account is active and verified. Also, your profile must be complete, and you should always meet the quality expectations to continue receiving gigs. So now it's time to give you some tips, some successful tips, some tips for success. Okay, so here are some quick tips to succeed on online book club. Firstly, be consistent. The more you review, the more trust you build. Yes, always check your dashboard daily. New books get posted regularly, and then also improve your writing. Read other people's review and learn. You can get other people's review there. Learn from their work, learn from what they did. Yes, from the review they dropped, and you know how to construct your own better. Yes, don't rush. Take your time to read the book. Stop jumping, or maybe that line or that paragraph or that page you dropped might be where you get something to expatiate or talk about. You get? So, and make sure you follow the guidelines. Make sure your review fits their structure. So that's another question most people ask is online book club legit? If it's not legit, I won't bring it here. Yes, it is 100% legit, but it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's perfect for book lovers, students, stay-at-home moms, remote workers, or anyone looking to earn a little extra income, maybe doing something enjoyable. Yes, you love to read books, so now you want to read and get paid for it. So you just have to be patient, do your first review well, and you're on your way to getting some cash, some free cash. So there you have it, a legit fun way to earn money online, reading and reviewing books. So if you're ready to join online book clubs, I have dropped a link in my description below. Just click on sign up and start reading your way to extra cash. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with a fellow book lover, and hey, if you have tried this platform before, let me know in the comment section. Let's know your experience and if you loved it. Until next time, keep reading, keep earning, and stay blessed. See you in my next video. Love you.